What is going on, YouTube? It's been a little while since my last video, but I had a gentleman call me today. He says he needs someone now. He needs mobile welding and he needs it now. He didn't even ask me how much it was going to cost. That's how big of a deal this is to this guy. So I'm going to go to the job. I'm going to check it out. I'll show you guys what the job entails. I'll tell you guys how much money I make and how long it took me. Let's get into it. Fabricating. You want to take a picture of it? It's right here.
Oh, yeah. Okay, that was good. Yeah. Oh boy. Yeah, they're gonna get a kick out of that. You can see the spot the weld failed. I'm gonna hit that with some 60-10, 60-11, cut deep, and then I'll cap it off with some 70-18. Now if you look, you can see all the slag falling down. That's why I have a welding jacket on top of those hoses. If I was to do it again, I would have gotten a second welding jacket and put it on the back side. This is how you get good at things. You make mistakes, you identify them, and then you change actions. Switching to 70-18. Yeah.
See that? That's how you make 500 bucks in 90 minutes. Take notes, kids. I want to give a little bit of context about this job. It was a cement company. They began mixing and the latch, the weld had snapped off. So all the cement was leaking out of the manhole. That obviously is an issue. Now I know some YouTube business slash welding expert is going to comment, $500 to fix that. One, it looked like shit, and two, you scam those people. Let me explain. There's a couple of pieces to this equation. One, I had my day all planned out. I was going to keep myself busy. They had called me and they had told me that they had contacted a few welding companies and none of them would take it. Now the cement was setting, so they needed someone immediately. When they found me, I told them how much it was going to cost. I told them that my day was full, but I will cut out a section of my day if they'd be willing to pay me that amount. And two, ultimately, the cement company isn't going to be footing the bill. It's a company that built that piece of equipment. They will be footing the bill. So it's not actually them that's going to be down $500. It's the company who built it. So it makes me feel a little less guilty about it. And finally, they needed that job done fast. The guy who called me had 5-6 employees. I would assume paying each one of them 20 to 25, 28 bucks an hour, just waiting on this machine to get fixed. So easily, just in the time that I was fixing the machine, about 90 minutes, he could have lost 250 bucks just paying these guys to sit and watch me. It's not about how long I took on the job, it's about how fast I got it done. That's why I was able to charge 500 bucks, because I was quick to get to the job, I was quick to finish the job, and I was quick to pack out and move on to the next. Oh, and also, I know someone's gonna comment, what the hell? You didn't even paint it when you got done? I painted it yellow. I just didn't catch it on film, so calm down, buddy. Well, hey, if you guys got anything out of this video, I hope I was able to entertain you today. Most likely gonna be a quick one, but hey, if you got anything out of this, like, comment, sub. Tell me how much money you've made and how fast it took you, okay? I'm talking big paycheck, small amount of time. Let's see it in the comments. You guys have a good one.